Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my experience of buying $1,000 worth of Bitcoin every day for a month. This was an experiment that I wanted to try out to see how the cryptocurrency market behaves and how much profit or loss I could make by investing this much money in Bitcoin. So, without further ado, let's get started. Day 1. On the first day of this experiment, I bought $1,000 worth of Bitcoin at the current market price. The price of Bitcoin at the time of purchase was $55,000. I was excited to see how my investment would perform over the course of the next month. Day 2 to 7. In the first week of my experiment, the price of Bitcoin was volatile. It went up and down by a few $1,000s every day. However, at the end of the first week, the price of Bitcoin had increased to $58,000. This was a good sign, and I was hopeful that the price would continue to rise. Day 8 to 14. The second week was not as great as the first one. The price of Bitcoin started to decline, and it went down to $54,000. I was a bit disappointed, but I knew that the cryptocurrency market was unpredictable and that it could go up or down at any time. Day 15 to 21. During the third week of my experiment, the price of Bitcoin remained relatively stable. It didn't go up or down by a significant amount. At the end of the third week, the price of Bitcoin was $55,000. I was hoping for more gains, but I was also relieved that the price hadn't gone down. Day 22 to 28. The fourth week was the most exciting one. The price of Bitcoin started to rise again, and it went up to $60,000. This was great news, and I was happy to see that my investment was performing well. However, the price of Bitcoin went down again, and it ended the month at $58,000. Conclusion. So, what happened at the end of the month? Well, I invested $30,000 in total and ended up with $31,600. This means that I made a profit of $1,600, which is a 5.33% return on investment, ROI. Although this is not a massive return, I'm still happy with the result considering that the cryptocurrency market is volatile and unpredictable. One thing that I learned from this experiment is that it's important to have a long-term investment strategy when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Buying and selling Bitcoin every day may not be the best approach. Instead, it's better to hold on to your investment and wait for the price to go up over time. Overall, this was a great learning experience for me, and I hope that you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And, as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.